Hey folks, how's it going? So we're messing with this sucker rod again today, and someone told me that on these guides, if you just run a thin cut down each side, they'll pop off a lot easier. But I don't have a thin cut with me right now. We do have the demo saw. We'll run it down each side and see if it pops off easier. Well, we went down each side. Give it a tap with the hammer, see how it does. Oh, there you go. That came off a lot easier. Well, sweet, there you go. Learn something every day. You just got to make sure you don't nick up your sucker rod too bad. This is just a drop piece, so be all right. Y'all take care.